Alright, bro, I guess fuck it. Alright, bro, so what have we here, Carlos?
We have a 97 Chevy Cheyenne.
This nigga. Nah, but, nah, there goes the fucking truck, and, here goes the new transmission. Bro, see here. See here. Oh fuck, bro. On the cool, bro, I was bugging, bro, because I figured, bro, this nigga really did switch the transmission on us, but nah, bro, it really is an 8090. Yeah, bro, just make sure. Is that weird that I was making sure about that? Well, I mean, yeah, fuck it, bro. Hey, there it goes. Fucking what, a 6 at lady, right? Or no wait, 6L90. 6L90, 8-speed.
8-speed.
Oh shit! All right, well here we go, and here goes the old transmission. Is this piece of shit? What is this? What the fuck is this?
This is a 4.8 piece of shit.
Damn. Well, anyway, a 4L60.
Damn, bro, look how you're.
A 4L60. 4L60E. All right. Well, that's that. All right, and the motor over there. But anyway, see, here we go. Got the IROX. Got the old engine out. Yeah,
bro, you know what I think Ralph's gonna do?
Well, what do you think Ralph's gonna do?
I think he's gonna connect that muffler system to this truck, bro. So you're gonna have to get a new one.
Oh, what?
He's gonna connect that muffler to that tip.
Oh. All right.
So you're gonna keep this. You're gonna switch the muffler and the tip, right?
I guess, yeah. But anyway, yeah, man. You know, we got the fuzzy dice on deck. You already know what the fuck's going on. Let's
windshield coming through.
See here. Fuzzy dice. Cracked windshield. It's cool, guys. Come on. We're gonna get a new windshield, obviously. I mean, come on, obviously. But yeah, guys. Let's see here. Let's get a. Oh, ooh, 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 oh, oh, look, oh, ooh. But yeah, guys. Yeah, tinted windows. But yeah, guys, stay tuned to check what happens when you put a 2017 motor in a 97 truck. All right, guys. Well, yeah.